Now let's move on to the next section of exercise where I'm going to discuss short questions and answers. The first question is, why did Manana accuse Hubert of picking the lost pocketbook? The answer is, Manana had seen Hubert picking up something on the way to the marketplace where the pocketbook had been lost. He mistook it as the pocketbook, but it was a piece of string. The second question is, what did the people think of Hubert when they heard the return of the pocketbook by some other person? The answer is, when the people heard about the return of the pocketbook by some other person, they still refused to accept that Hubert was innocent. They believed that he had fabricated a scheme to save himself and had picked up the pocketbook. The third question is, why did George give the pocketbook to his employer? The answer is, being a simple, uneducated villager, George was unable to read the pocketbook owner's particulars from its contents. Therefore, he thought that it would be more appropriate to give the pocketbook to his employer in order to have it handed over to its rightful owner. The fourth question is, what made Hubert shameful? The answer is, what made Hubert feel shameful was not the false accusation of theft itself, but being considered a liar made him feel humiliated. Although he was an honest and truthful man, Hubert felt that being called a liar was a disgrace to his self-esteem and character. Fifth question is, why did the people make fun of his innocence? The answer is, the people made fun of Hubert's innocence in order to amuse themselves. They narrated the story to each other in the manner of a soldier who had been on a campaign and shared anecdotes of his battles. The last question is, why did he keep claiming his innocence before his death? Hubert kept claiming his innocence even on his deathbed because he considered it shameful that people considered him a liar and a dishonest person. He did not want to die in disgrace. So here we are done with the short questions and answers as well. I hope you have understood it very well. Thank you.